Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Ignore this and this. This one might be due to skincare. This one, I think, is another bite. Not sure why I'm getting these bites, but this one is definitely bigger than the one that I had over here. You might not know because I didn't do a longer form content video back when I had the bite over here, but this one's gone now, and now I've got another one over here, which is more painful than the last. So tonight in the live stream, I won't be putting foundation on. We'll be doing everything else, just not foundation, because, I mean, I could put foundation on, but just leave this. No, we won't do that today. Anyway, it's a quick haul, so let me show you. And it is just a quick haul. I've got one thing, guys. Went and picked this up from my sister's yesterday. Got it from Sephora. So, yeah, got it from Sephora. Can you guess what it is yet? I've been after this, or this particular shade, and one other since they were released. So it's this. It's a DIOR Backstage Rosy Glow Stick. I hope this is worth it. This one is in 012 Rosewood. I don't know whether to keep the packaging. No, you can see Rosewood fine. This packaging is absolutely stunning. Look at it. I love Dior's new packaging. Love it. And I thought, can you see all the Dior's inside? I thought that was on the outside, but it's not. So it says CD there. It's actually on the stick that you pull out here, and then inside is transparent. There's a bit of a smell, not much. And then obviously it says CD there. I think I want to try it with you guys. Just a bit of blush on the cheeks. I'm going for a shower soon anyway. Right, let's get into it. Yeah, they're very expensive. At full price, £37. Oh, they go on nice, so. I wouldn't say they're balmy. They're certainly not as balmy as my Charlotte Tilbury one. I'm going to do swatches on the hand as well. I'll do my Charlotte Tilbury one versus this. Yeah, full price of £37, which is very expensive, so definitely wait for a sale. The only reason I've got it is because I had vouchers. I had like £15 worth of Sephora vouchers, and I thought, well, I'm never, even in a sale, I'm not going to get it at that price. I think it would definitely look better over the foundation. But that won't be happening today. You can see how glowy it is. I mean, I'll definitely put like bronzer and contour on and things like that tonight, but I won't be doing foundation. Yeah, you can definitely see how glowy it is, can't you? Oh my gosh. I think I need some powder. Hang on. Right, let's take the Rimmel Stay Matte and Transparent. Just under here. I don't think this cheek's that bad. I don't know, I might not wear makeup at all today and let my skin breathe. Because look at it, ever since I put makeup on here, this spot is not looking good either, and this spot is looking terrible. I might let my skin breathe today. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. We will do another longer form content video because That's Expensive project pan's due for an update. Anyway, I did say I was going to do like a swatch comparison against this and my not Charlotte Tilbury. That's another one that I want, the Charlotte Tilbury one, the Divine Rose Glow, because this is, I would say this is my favourite cream blush. So let's do the Divine Rose Glow first. I've been using this for the past 2 rotations, so we can say about 2 months. So yeah, this is definitely more balmy than the Dior, and a lot thinner in consistency. So what I'll probably do is put that in my collection when we do the next Shop My Stash, and we'll be pulling this one out to use for a month, maybe even 2 months, just so I can give you an opinion. They do look similar shades though. Wow. Have I just bought the same shade? Does this look darker, this one? The Pat McGrath Labs. I feel like I've just gone out and bought the same shade, but just by a different brand. And I've got a few other ones by the drugstore. Let me see. I can show you. Right, so 3 other new ones came into my collection. We've got the collection a blush stick in 1. I think it's called pink, but they've just changed it to 1. Blush 1. I got that for free with my Boots reward points. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Dusty Pink. So that came from Amazon. That was a gift. And I bought this one. The Essence Baby Got Blush in the shade Rosé All Day. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with shades that I feel like are same as this. So this one could be. Oh my God. That one's thicker than both of those two, and you can tell, can't you? But it's like, you know what you like, girl. Then we've got this one, this Wet n Wild Dusty Pink. This one's got quite a bit of gold in it, so I don't think this is going to be similar at all. Yeah, that one's not too similar. Those 3, though, are quite similar. I would say this one's darker than those 2. And then the last one is the collection one. There's definitely a theme, I feel like, with the blushes. Yeah, and that's just pink. But these 2, it could be the same blush, especially on the cheeks. It could be the same blush. But that's fine. They're different brands. They'll have different formulas. Okay. Anyway, this is what the Dior blush looks like. Like I said, you'd be able to see it more on top of foundation or a skin tint or something. And I actually really, really like it. I think it's nice. I will probably get more shades in the near future, but I definitely want to wait until Black Friday or something like that. I'm still debating the Charlotte Tilbury new blushes that have come out. I watched Wayne Goss's channel and he basically swatched them all over his face, on his head, but he only actually swatched a couple of them on his cheeks. You know, I would like to basically at least swatch them on the hand. Sephora in Manchester Arndale Centre is opening soon in August. Maybe in September I can go there and just have a look and see what they've got. It's a good idea and a bad idea at the same time. Thank you for joining me today, guys. It means a lot. If you're new here and you like this kind of content, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.